Hey Crypto Journal viewers, imagine being able to trade Tesla, Apple, or Nvidia right from your crypto account anytime, day or night. Sounds insane, right? Well, now you can thanks to xStocks on Bybit. Yes, you heard that right. Bybit has launched tokenized stocks and EFTs via xStocks, giving crypto traders 24/7 access to some of the biggest traditional market assets worldwide. Check out the link in the description box below to see the full list and get started. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what xStocks are, how they really work, and why this could change the game. So stay tuned. Looking to earn crypto smarter, faster, and more profitably? Welcome to Deep TradeX, where trading meets opportunity. With Deep TradeX, you get instant access to top cryptocurrency, advanced trading tools, and a platform built for maximum profits. Every trade is a chance to grow your crypto portfolio, and their intelligent systems helps you trade confidently. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, Deep TradeX makes earning crypto fast, easy, and professional. Don't wait. Click the link in the description and start trading with Deep TradeX today. Your next crypto opportunity is just one trade away. First thing first, what exactly are xStocks? If you're new here and did not see our first breakdown, the full explanation is in the link below. Check the description box. xStocks are tokenized equities and EFTs issued by a firm called Bybit. They convert real traditional US stocks like Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, SPY, and more into digital tokens. Each xStock token is 1:1 ratio backed by the actual underlying share, which is held in custody by a regulated independent custodian. That means for every xStock token in existence, there is a real share stored securely somewhere. But very important, holding an xStocks does not give you legal ownership of the underlying share. You do not get voting rights, dividends, or other shareholder privileges. xStocks are a synthetic representation of price exposure only. In fact, you are buying price exposure as the real stock's value changes. Up or down, the stock token tracks that change, but you won't receive dividends or participate in shareholder decisions. And because they are on blockchain rails, xStocks are freely transferable worldwide, tradable around the clock, and can potentially integrate with DeFi protocols or other on-chain tools. Again, full list details and official documents are available at the link below. See description box. So why xStocks are revolutionary? Now, why is this such a big deal? Here's why xStocks could be a game changer for a lot of traders and crypto people. As blue chip stocks would without a traditional broker, no need for a US brokerage account, no complicated paperwork. Your crypto account on Bybit is enough. 24/7 traditional stock markets close at night or on weekends, but xStocks don't. You can buy or sell anytime, which is huge for global users or reacting to news. Frictional ownership and low entry barrier. You don't have to buy a full share of Tesla or Apple. You can buy fractions via xStocks tokens. Great for smaller budgets or diversifying easily. On-chain and DeFi compatibility potentially. Since xStocks are issued as blockchain tokens on networks like Solana ERC20 compatible, there's a chance for smart contract integrations, lending, staking, liquidity pools, or cross-chain transfers. This opens up entirely new financial use cases. Global and borderless access. You don't need to reside in the US to get exposure to US equities. That democratizes access to major global assets from anywhere. So if you are a crypto user wanting some diversification or someone curious about combining stock plus crypto flexibility, xStocks might be exactly what you're looking for. And you can start exploring via the link below. So how to trade xStocks on Bybit? Cool. Now, how do you actually trade xStocks on Bybit? It's simpler than you might think. Go to Bybit, make sure your account is verified, KYC if needed. Deposit funds, typically stable coins like USDT. Use the search bar to type xStock ticker, for example, TSLAX, AAPLX, NVDAX, SPYX, etc. Yes, they end with NX to indicate tokenized equities. Place your buy or sell order on the spot market, same as crypto trading. Bybit has added xStocks to its spot platform. Optionally, you may be able to transfer, withdraw xStocks as blockchain tokens depending on network support. Example, Solana ERC20. Though availability can vary. So want the full list of available xStocks and tickers? Check the link in the description box now. Scroll down and grab it. This will make it easier when you're watching live or trading alone. But this isn't magic. There are important caveats you need to know. xStocks do not give dividend, voting rights, or shareholder privilege. They are price exposure tokens only. The legal and regulatory status depends on your country. xStocks might be restricted in some jurisdictions. You need to check local laws before trading. The underlying shares are held by custodians, issuers, not by Bybit itself. Bybit just provides a trading interface that means your recourse is limited. Bybit isn't guaranteeing collateral, delivery, or corporate action benefits because these are still relatively new. Liquidity token, redemption, or support for withdrawals may vary depending on network demand or issuer activity. It's not the same as holding traditional stocks via brokerage. So while xStocks offers flexibility and stability, treat them like a new hybrid between crypto and equities with both upside and caveats. Why this matters? Let's zoom out. What could xStocks means for the future of finance and investors like us? They bridge traditional finance and blockchain, making global stock market accessible to crypto-native users everywhere. They provide diversified exposure, crypto portfolios plus blue chip equities exposure in the same platform. Easier diversification without managing multiple accounts. They open up DeFi style possibilities. Tokenized equities could be used as collateral for lending, trading, or even integration with on-chain apps down the road. For people in countries outside the US, this is a new door into US equities, previously limited by residency, regulations, and currency conversion barriers. In short, xStocks may be one of the first big steps toward a global borderless investment infrastructure, blending stocks plus crypto plus blockchain all together. So if you want to take a look and maybe try xStocks for yourself, I have dropped the official xStocks Bybit link in the video description box below. Click it, sign up, or log in. Check the available tickers and see if xStocks fits your trading or investing plan. Important. xStocks are not to be sold or marketed to US persons. Make sure you check your eligibility and local regulations before getting in. Also, do your own research and understand risk. There's a full breakdown on xStocks for now. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Crypto Journal, and ring the bell for more guides like reviews and crypto plus stock market content. So, trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.